This is a feel good video.
Keep this moment to myself, feeling selfish. Feeling selfish. I hate to keep this moment to myself, selfish. Moment to myself, selfish. I just can't keep this selfish. Gotta keep a moment to myself, selfish. Choking on words every moment, actions living up to every verb. I push out of my face, that is my word. Holding on to my sack, got a little bit more spine in my back to come up on top. I can't remember the day the casket dropped to my mother, yet it's so vivid. The pain that I felt, I just don't want to relive it, but I gotta give it to you in a nutshell. I remember the last words I spoke before I heard the last word my brother spoke.
Take closer though.
No joke, sometimes life
I feel like it's a castle.
go the way you want it to. It's unpredictable. Yeah, I'm feeling critical. Right now, a little lyrical.
Ooh, it's a man-made castle. Ooh, the peaceful. Oh my god. Look at this. I always wonder how did they construct these things. No, for real, how do you put up the wall? And now, after the fall.
When it rains, I bet this thing goes crazy.
I know. Nobody's here. Brown skin girl.
In the caterpillar This is when the mother lays the eggs in a nest, and instead of one, and then those caterpillars crawl out, and then each caterpillar turns into a cocoon. So that's a nest. That's how they're born. As a kid, we used to climb the trees and rip them open and get the babies out.
And you would eat them?
No, we would wait, like feed them grass and leaves.
The story of Adam and Eve.
Oh God. Alright.
Or Adam and Steve.
I got you.
No, the story of the fruits. Tell me what you're eating. What is this right here?
This is known as a muscadine.
Ooh!
A muscadine is similar to a grape. It's like a grape, but it's a grape that has very thick skin. And on the inside, it's like a grape also, except the flavor is a little bit more rich, sour.
It's kind of sweet. The skin.
The skin is sweet. The juices that is produced from the muscadine is sweet, and the muscadine itself, it's sweet. It's a sweeter, and it's not as tender as a grape is. The texture of it, it's instead of being like a breakable texture, you know how you bite into a grape, it easily bursts. The inside of a muscadine, it's more tougher and a little chewy, so as you chew into it, that toughness gives off a lot more juice. And the flavor of it kind of tastes closer to what wine tastes like. If you had to take a grape, you turn this grape into wine. This muscadine is like
Bitter. More flavor.
More flavor, and it almost tastes like it is wine already.
Actually, it's very rich.
Ooh. And you can pop out the insides. If I squeeze it too hard, it's gonna shoot out. If you squeeze, and squeeze, this is the inside of the muscadine. And then you just, you don't throw the shell away right away.
I eat the skin actually.
I suck on the skin, because the skin gives me that stuff I love. It's called juice. There's different kind of muscadines. These are bronze grapes.
Bronze grapes. How about the blackberry? Tell me the story of the blackberry.
Blackberries are cute because they used to grow, these blackberries and these muscadines used to grow right across the street from my grandma's house and in the woods. So when I walked around the woods, there would be muscadine trees and blackberry plants. And the blackberries would start out, they'd be all white, and then all of a sudden,
For real?
and then the black kicks in, and
The blackness.
when you eat them fresh, blackberries are a little bitter, but you can get some ones that are very sweet. That's what I love about blackberries. That bitter sweetness. And fruit almost tastes like it was unreal, because you didn't have to buy it. You just walk out the house and snatch it off the vine.
The organic stuff.
And just eat it. And it was like, oh my God, heaven on earth. So every time I'm away from home, I think about how life is more beautiful. I mean, I'm from the South. It's not like cities, buildings everywhere. It's definitely trees, woods, farms. So when I'm in the city, I'm next. The only thing I see across the street is building after building after building. If it's a tree, it doesn't have fruit. If it's grass, it's growing in the strange places. And I tend to miss this kind of stuff. You know, so this is memory lane, throwback. You heard?
Harris Mountain.
Harris Mountain. Good. 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 This is a feel good. Yeah. It's time to go.
Club and get beyond.
Day 2 of the hike. Today we are going to hike the Table Rock Mountain. Oh, booty work, booty work, booty work, booty work, booty work, booty work. Starting to rain. We're gonna hike while it's raining. Fruit break.
At 7, family dinner.
Send them a picture from the top and be like, we're gonna be late.
So nice.
At least go to Governor's Rock though. It's just about half a mile further. And the temperature changes.
Cold?
Yeah, it's colder from here to there.
Going down.
Pain that I felt I couldn't deny. I had to ride. My brother turning up tunes. In my head, I'm going back to the moment real soon. Like before I walked out the door, realizing I had to take the bus to go up the road just to get to school. Little did I know the reason why it rained wasn't cool.
I'm a grandma, here we go. The sweetest devotion. The world is changing. The world changes in the flick of an eye. In the flick of a second. What?
This car cuts off all the time.
Wanda, happy birthday. Huh?
Shit, quit cuss me out. Right.
Happy birthday, Wanda.
Thank you.
'Happy birthday, Wanda. 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 'Happy birthday, Wanda.
can go ahead.
It's hard to wheel it? Huh?
Hello?
Hello, hello.
Good. Just pushing one of the models.
Let's go.
Choking on words every moment, actions living up to
You remember where?
word.
Hold this camera. Hold it for me, Wanda.
Push Hazel.
It's filming.
Push Hazel.
Hey, grandma, mama.
It's so vivid, the pain that I felt.
You in a
I
happy
just don't
place
wanna
now.
relive it, but I gotta give it to you in a nutshell. I remember the last words I spoke before I heard the last word my brother spoke. Told me no joke. Sometimes life don't go the way you want it to. It's unpredictable. Yeah, I'm feeling critical. Right
She
now,
was born
a
in
little
June.
lyrical.
And she was born in September. She was a Libra.
The baby.
Quiet.
She was my homegirl.
Love you, mama. 50 years old now.
Desire, it was like my life had no retire.
I'm a grown woman. A grrr.
Yeah, mama, I'm grown now. I don't think I was a little girl, ain't no baby no more. I'm mama's baby. I'm mama's baby. From my baby mama's baby.
We love you, mama. And grandma.
My birthday, mama.
Looking gorgeous and beautiful as always.
Yes. She's in a happy place.
I know you're watching over us. Take care of us. You ain't seeing others. Gotta do it selfish. I realize a lot of these feelings inside can't hide. I give it to you, so I provide. I'm a provider, long living. I'm a rider. That's right. Remember the last words I spoke, but I'm feeling selfish. That's okay, it's just selfish. I'ma kick it to you, yeah. Before I left the crib, my grandmother came over and had to be at the place where we live. And I give my mama a live to a place where you can get a job and put some more on the table. Fine in my back to come up on top. I can't remember the day the casket dropped to my mother, yet it's so vivid. The pain that I felt, I just don't wanna relive it, but I gotta give it to you in a nutshell. I remember the last words I spoke before I heard the last word my brother spoke. Told me no joke. Sometimes life don't go the way you want it to. It's unpredictable. Yeah, I'm feeling critical. Right now, a little lyrical.